Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the project PWA ready. Initialize with npm, add a build tool, and create package scripts so builds are reproducible. Next, author manifest. JSON with name, short name, start URL, display, icons, and theme color so the OS recognizes the app. Once done, ensure you test over HTTPS or localhost because service workers require secure contexts. This step prevents caching and installability issues later and sets the stage for the service worker integration. You now implement the service worker. Register it early in your app lifecycle so it can control pages. Write SW.js to precache shell assets during install and employ runtime caching for images and API responses to balance freshness and offline support. Make sure to version cache names and handle lifecycle with skip waiting and clients. Claim so updates propagate predictably. This avoids stale assets. Finally, test update flows by changing cache names and verifying the new service worker replaces the old one cleanly. You finish by making the app installable and quality assured. Confirm manifest link and icon, endpoints return correct content type, and include maskable icons so home screen installs cleanly. Implement a before install prompt listener to show a clear install button and provide a manual fallback instruction for unsupported browsers. Run Lighthouse audits and manual offline tests across browsers and devices to catch issues. If the app fails to install, check manifest validity, secure hosting, and service worker scope as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.